My name is Sarve. I studied in third year. My school is St. Joseph Local School. I say about some festivals. Bogi is celebrated in honor of Lord Indra. Pongal is a traditional of harvest festivals to celebrated in Tamil Nadu. Mattu Pongal is celebrated to honor cow. Kanum Pongal is festival to honor farmer.
Good morning everybody, my name is Ashwa. I am studying in the standard A section. My school name is St. Joseph Global School. My topic name is Pongal celebration. Pongal is a harvest festival celebrated in South India, especially in Tamil Nadu. Pongal is dedicated to the sun god. It is a thank you giving ceremony for the during Pongal, people cook traditional dress, sweet Pongal and spicy Pongal. The celebrating time for family members, cultural event and traditional ritual. Thank you.